Ready to unlock a new level of app development by combining the power of Lovable with the robust backend capabilities of Supabase. First, head over to Supabase and create a new project. Give it a unique name and select a region closest to your users for optimal performance. Once your project is set up, navigate to the database section where you'll define your schema. Now, let's jump into Lovable. Open your Lovable project and navigate to the Data Sources panel here. You'll connect to your newly created Supabase database. Enter your Supabase project URL and API key. You can find these in your Supabase project settings under the API section. Lovable will then automatically fetch your database schema, allowing you to bind your UI elements directly to your Supabase tables. Next, implement authentication. Supabase provides built-in authentication services in Lovable. Connect the authentication components to your Supabase authentication endpoints. This will enable users to securely sign up, log in, and manage their profiles. Finally, leverage Supabase's real-time capabilities. Configure real-time listeners in Lovable to subscribe to changes in your Supabase tables. Any updates in the database will instantly reflect in your Lovable app, creating a dynamic and engaging user experience. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Supabase with Lovable, empowering you to build scalable, data-driven applications with a robust and efficient backend. Experiment, explore, and unleash the full potential of this powerful combination.